Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ajele. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I hide my subscriber count using the YouTube app without using Google Chrome on my phone. So recently I realized YouTube has changed a lot of their settings, especially on the mobile phone. When you are browsing your channel in the desktop mode and then maybe you want to do something in the studio app, they redirect you to the studio app, you do whatever you want to do and then you come back. Man, that was so hectic, but now they've made everything easier where you can access the studio app in the on your phone, like whilst you are browsing in the desktop mode there and then, and now like all the features you get when you're using the laptop or when you're using a browser, you get everything now on your phone. So I'll be showing you how you can change your YouTube subscriber count using these new features on YouTube, okay, and how you can access your desktop mode on your phone as well without using Google Chrome. So let's get right into the video. So the first thing I want to do is show you my subscriber count. So it's like a before and after thing. So I go to my channel. So that is my subscriber count. So I'm going to change this to private if I don't want anybody else to see the number of subscribers I have. So we are about to begin the whole tutorial now. So the first thing you do is click on your picture at the right hand top side, and then you click on your data in YouTube. So this will load for a few minutes, seconds. So when it's downloading, you scroll up or down and then you click on more. So here you have your YouTube dashboard. Your YouTube content appears here. Examples of content include videos that you've uploaded. So all these things are about what you've done on your YouTube channel. So we want to go to subscriptions. You click on subscriptions. So at this point we are still in the mobile app. So before you can be able to access the desktop mode, you click on your profile picture at the right hand top side again, and then you scroll up or down, I don't know. Then at the bottom you see desktop, you click on desktop. So there we have our desktop mode on our phone using the YouTube app without using Google Chrome. So easy and simple. So let me zoom in so I show you. So the three dashes at the left hand side, you click on it and then you click on my channel. So let's zoom in so that you see. So this is my channel. So I'm going to zoom in again, and then the video manager at the top above your channel banner, you click on it. So guys, this is what I was saying, like now you can access the YouTube Studio app on your phone, like I mean while you are browsing in the desktop mode, and all the features has been released, like so cool. So at this point, if you don't have the YouTube Studio app, you click on get the app, and then it will direct you to the App Store or the Play Store for you to download the Studio app for free. But if you have the Studio app like I do, then join me and let's continue to the studio. So there we have it, guys. Like I now love this feature. I really love YouTube for doing this. I don't know if this has been around for a while now, like I just saw it, like I'm really so happy. So at this point, at the down here, okay, let me zoom in so you guys should see. Okay, I think it's okay. The setting sign that you see on your left down here, you click on the setting sign, and then you click on channel. So these are the various settings you can do on your channel: the basic information setting, the advanced setting, the branding setting, and the feature eligibility setting. So let's click on advanced setting. So advanced setting brought us to audience. Do you want to set your channel as made for kids? No, that's not why we are here. So we go up or we go down. So this is why we are here, the subscriber count. So display the number of people subscribed to my channel. For me, mine is on. So if you don't want to display the check in the box, you click on it and then it goes off. But before you click out to check in a rush to see whether it's in, make sure that you save your settings. So there you have it, setting is saved. So we are done here. So right now what we want to do is to go back to my channel to see if like the subscriber count is really private. So let's go back to my channel. So let's click on my picture, and there you have it, guys. My subscriber count is gone. Like, you can't see it anymore. But if it's not showing here, doesn't mean that you will not see it. You can see it. You can see the number of subscribers you have at the studio app, but it will only be visible to you. But in the YouTube app, you can't see it here. You can't see it in the YouTube app, neither can your subscribers see it, but you can see the number of subscribers you have in the YouTube Studio app. I hope this video was so helpful to you. Please don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and then hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.